Simplicity is the name of the game. The easier it is, the more you're gonna make it. Well, I got a super easy one for you today. Beef and broccoli with an Asian flair. You do it in a crock pot. The whole family's gonna love it. The kids are gonna love it. And the best part is, you use the crock pot. That's it. No mess. Super easy. We're doing it next on Buzz Cook. Stick around. All right, let's get started on this amazing beef and broccoli dish that is so simple to make and so flavorful. You're gonna love it, I'm telling you. So I've got a New York steak that I put in the freezer for about an hour just to firm it up a bit. I'm gonna trim off the fat, and then we're gonna slice it into nice thin slices. And once we get the slices nice and thin, we're gonna come back and cut those into bite-sized pieces. Now, I'm using that Cuisinart crock pot that also allows searing. If yours doesn't, you'll have to sear the meat in a frying pan, then transfer to your slow cooker. I'm telling you, this Cuisinart is awesome. I'll leave a link down below if you're interested in getting one. They're not too expensive. I got mine from Amazon. So anyways, back to the dish. We've got our meat almost all sliced up. Next, what we're gonna do is get out a Ziploc bag and put a couple tablespoons of cornstarch in it. Then we're gonna transfer this meat into the Ziploc bag, seal it up nice, and shake it up real good to make sure every piece of meat is coated in the cornstarch. And what this is gonna do is not only help tenderize the meat, also it's going to help thicken our sauce as it cooks in the crock pot. So don't skip this part at all. There we go. Shake, shake, shake. Now we got our crock pot out. We've turned it on to the sear, 350 degrees. We're going to add a little bit of olive oil, and then we're going to put our meat right inside there and let that start to brown up a little bit. And while that's browning up, let's start our sauce. A little bit of water, soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, granulated onion, granulated ginger, granulated garlic, red pepper flakes, and some hoisin sauce. And I'll have all the exact measurements in the statement down below of the video. And brown sugar. And we're going to mix this all up. Now that our meat is browned up nice, we're going to pour this right over the top. All right. Now we'll pour that sauce right over the top. Oh, I'm sorry, forgot one thing. A little bit of sesame oil. That was about 2 teaspoons. Now we're going to add our sauce to the meat. There we go. Give it a quick mix, and then we're going to put the lid on it and let that go on high. And we're going to let that cook for about an hour on high. And And while that's cooking, we're going to chop up our broccoli. So I've got 2 heads of broccoli that we're just going to cut the florets off. And once we get all the florets off, we're going to pop the broccoli into the crock pot with the meat. Let it go for about another hour or until the broccoli is nice and tender. And then it'll be time to serve. And I served it with a little bit of rice. And I'm telling you, for a quick, easy beef and broccoli dish, this is a winner for sure. Everybody's going to love it. Make it for the whole family. I want to thank you all for watching, and please remember to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment if you can, it really helps, and hit that bell to stay up to date on newest recipes. I put a recipe out every Wednesday and every Sunday. Alright, have a great day, and we'll see you on the next show. Oh, I almost forgot one thing. When I plated the dish, I topped it with some chopped up scallion and then some sesame seeds. Makes for nice plating. Alright, thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.